Hello guys! In today's video I'm going to tell you about Singapore numbers, especially where you can get them and what to do with them. First, let's talk about the structure. Singapore numbers have 8 digits and always start with plus 65. Why should I even use them, you may ask me? Okay, in case of using virtual numbers, every country has its own advantages and disadvantages. I will add list of reasons to choose Singapore. First of all, it's about country status. If you have Singapore Telegram or WhatsApp account, your contacts may probably think that you are living there. It might raise your social status, for example. Okay, the second reason is popularity. Singapore is not so popular in the bulk message market, so numbers are mostly valid, I would say. The third reason is quality. Singapore is one of the richest and most expensive countries in the whole world. That's why Singapore phone numbers are much better than, I would say, India or Bangladesh. And the last but not least, despite previous reasons, Singapore phone numbers are not so expensive at all. Korean or even Japanese numbers will cost much more, $2, $3 or even $5 per message, when Singapore will cost even below $1, I would say. Okay, I think it's enough for Singapore temporary phone numbers. Let's go further. Okay guys, let's try to create completely new fake Odnoklassniki account using fake virtual number from Singapore. I'm on the main page of odnoklassniki.ru and let's try to register. Just click on button called register and then we must put in here some Singapore number. So where the fuck I can get Singapore number, you may ask me. In order to complete this, I will go to the SMS-MAN.com. It's service who provides virtual numbers. It's not free, it costs some money, but it's a little, don't worry. Just create a new account and top up your balance in order to use it. Okay, when you will finish this task, just go to the section below, choose a country you want to. I remember mine will be Singapore. Okay, here it is, just click on it and then search for Odnoklassniki. Okay, here it is, and then click the buy button. The number will appear in the header of the site and just click on it in order to copy it. Okay, great. Now go back to the odnoklassniki.com, paste number right there and delete 2 first digits. Now number must be valid. Click on the next button and we will call you. No, I don't need a call, I just need a text message. So click on the get code by the text message. Okay, great. Now we must receive a text message with some verification code inside. Just go back to the SMS-MAN.com and wait until the message will appear. We need some time for that, but when the time will pass, just click on the Get SMS button right now, and here it is. There is there is code. Just copy it, but by clicking on it and paste in this exact form. Great. Click on the next button, and as far as you may see, we are logged in. Just create some random password and put some fake bio in the form about yourself. Mine will be John Doe, date of birth 50 of 86. Great, I'm a male. It's strange to see only 2 genders in this form. Click on the next button And congratulations! Your account is completed. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Good luck, stay safe.